fair chances of rain coming in anytime. So in this ride, we're quite prepared for a ride in the rain. I'm just carrying a small tail bag with me, and the idea is that if at all we encounter rain, then I will just use the rain liner which is inside the tank bag to keep the gadgets protected, the mobile phone, my wallet, that's it. Anyway, nice pleasant weather to start with. The roads here are as beautiful as ever. So looking forward to a nice smooth ride, breath of fresh air, and there comes the rain as anticipated. We are having the shower. As I told you, it's not raining very hard really, but yeah, the rains have started. So the bike is really behaving as beautifully as ever. Very smooth, very soft. Really game for a ride. So this is where we get into the highway. This is the NH 143. The scene all around is so wonderful, full of clouds. The river is flowing bank to bank because of it has been raining heavily for the last 2-3 days. So there we go. There we go. This is the junction where the other approach from the old Brahmani bridge meets up with the highway. So I believe the traffic policeman manning this crossing is holding this side of the traffic to allow the other side to pass on. And we are through. So we should be going down. There is a small accident here. That is the reason why there was a crowd. But no damage done. I think it's a vehicle which has been hit by the lorry from behind. But luckily no one hurt. I don't know, people on the road are always in a hurry nowadays. My advice to everyone would be drive safe, enjoy the drive. A little bit of delay here and there, even on a half an hour, 1 hour drive, doesn't really make much of a difference. At the end of the ride or drive, it boils down to probably 5 to 10 minutes this way or that way. So this is the flyover which takes us across the Biju Expressway which is the one which takes you from Rourkela to Sundargarh and Sambalpur. But we cross over and stick to NH 143, which basically takes us into Birmitrapur and across the state border into Jharkhand. Our destination today will be a small dam near Rourkela, very well known to the people of Rourkela. It's Mandira Dam. And as we continue on NH 143, we are approaching another bridge over the river Sang. And river Sang and river Koel join together a little farther down at a place which is a heritage site, a very spiritual place. It's Ved Vyas. Leaving this highway to go into the back street, if I may say so, and approach our destination of Mandira Dam. Being the back street, the road conditions are not too good, and given the battering of rains in the past week or so, it has done enough damage to the already already bad road. But okay, it's part of the game. Small hamlets, you can hardly call them as villages. But yes, people are living in between, mostly busy with farming, the typical farmers. I suppose paddy is one of the most important crops for the farmers here. You really don't have the concept of cash crops catching on here with the farmers. Here you see a crowd, so maybe there is a local football tournament in progress, if I am right, and I was so right. There is a tournament going on. What a wonderful sight. Youngsters playing in a green field. Football enthusiasts. And suddenly you can see the forests getting so thick in between. Here we cross a small stream which never really had a lot of water in it, but today, as you can see, because of the rains, the stream is flowing in all its glory. These roads were not so bad, but after the rains, most of it is broken.
इन रास्तों पे चलते चलते अक्सर एक चुप्पी सी छा जाती है और मन एक धुन गुनगुनाने लगता है। ऐसे ही एक गीत जो मैंने लिखा है और कंपोज किया है आपके लिए इस सड़क के सफर के साथ।
जंगल की राहों में, बादल की छाँव में जलता ही जाऊं मैं अपनी ही धुन में। पेड़ों की शाखों से कुछ कह रही हवा, पत्तों की सरसराहट गाए कोई नया नगमा। ना कोई मंजिल है, ना कोई फिक्र है, बस रास्ता मेरा है और दिल बेकाबर है। चल रे दिल को लेके चल रे, हरी हरी राहों में सपनों के साथ चल रे हवाओं पे निकल रे, जंगल की इन राहों में खुद से ही मिल रे। कभी छन छन के साए कभी थम जाए, दूर कहीं पहाड़ों पर बादल भी मुस्कुराए। नदिया की वो आवाज, कोयल की वो पुकार, हर मोड़ पे लगता है कुदरत का एक उपहार। ना कोई जल्दी है, ना कोई इंतजार, आज हवा के संग है मेरा ये सफर। चल रे दिल को लेके चल रे, हरी हरी राहों में सपनों के साथ चल रे हवाओं पे निकल रे, जंगल की इन राहों में खुद से ही मिल रे। ला पेड़ों के साए में रुकना भी क्या है। ला रास्ता जो बुलाए चलना ही क्या है। चल रे आसमां को छू ले, बादल के टुकड़ों को हरतों में तू चुन ले। जिंदगी को जिए ले, जंगल की इन राहों में हर पल को तू पी ले। चल बस यूं ही चल, रास्ता ही मंजिल है, बस यूं ही चल। चल 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 ओ जंगल की राहों में, बादल की छाँव में जलता ही जाऊं मैं अपनी ही धुन में। पेड़ों की शाखों से कुछ कह रही हवा, पत्तों की सरसराहट गाए कोई नया नगमा। ना कोई मंजिल है, ना कोई फिक्र है, बस रास्ता मेरा है और दिल बेकाबर है। चल रे दिल को लेके चल रे, हरी हरी राहों में सपनों के साथ चल रे, हवाओं पे निकल रे, जंगल की इन राहों में खुद से ही मिल रे। कभी छन छन के साए कभी थम जाए, दूर कहीं पहाड़ों पर बादल भी मुस्कुराए। नदिया की वो आवाज, कोयल की वो पुकार, हर मोड़ पे लगता है कुदरत का एक उपहार। ना कोई जल्दी है, ना कोई इंतजार, आज हवा के संग है मेरा ये सफर। चल रे दिल को लेके चल रे, हरी हरी राहों में सपनों के साथ चल रे, हवाओं पे निकल रे, जंगल की इन राहों में खुद से ही मिल रे। ला पेड़ों के साए में रुकना भी क्या है। ला रास्ता जो बुलाए चलना ही क्या है। चल रे आसमां को छू ले, बादल के टुकड़ों को हाथों में तू चुन ले। जिंदगी को जिए ले, जंगल की इन राहों में हर पल को तू पी ले। चल बस यूं ही चल, रास्ता ही मंजिल है, बस यूं ही चल।
There are some view points here, and we cross over the barrage here, so you can see a lot of it there. We will drive through. As I told you, I will not stop, but you can see the velocity of the water here. Such force the water is going through. It's amazing, isn't it? Amazing flow of water. Because they are releasing a lot of water now because the rainfalls, the catchment areas have brought in a lot of water, and the reservoir levels are pretty full, I'm sure. So they release a lot of water to keep the dam at the requisite level, and you can see the force of the water. My God. Families have come here, complete picnic spirit. In spite of the rains, they're enjoying the stuff in this weather. So that, my friend, was Mandira Dam and the bike ride onto it. I hope you guys enjoyed the ride as much as I did. So guys, that's the conclusion of today's ride. We are back home, and as we are back home, our little friend Max is here to say hi to us. They'll be waiting for me to come back from the ride, and now of course the fun of the ride is over. Then hard work myself. I enjoy cleaning the bike. It's part of the ride. It's fun. So see you under the next ride. I get my bike clean and see you on the next ride. Bye-bye.